Adjustable thermostat control. Using the 7-grade temperature control, set the desired temperature. 1 refres to refrigeration point, and 7 is the coldest. The small freezer's cooling system is turned off by pressing 0, OFF. The temperature can be changed from 10.2 to -11.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit's power on, red, and run, green, lights show that it is operational. Compact design with a big capacity. The space-saving design of this 3.8 cubic foot freestanding chest freezer measures 22.8 by 22.6 by 32.3. The large capacity can be used for a variety of things, including breast milk, meat, aquatic items, cold drinks, rapid freezing, and more. It could be utilized at home, in dorms, in the kitchen, or at the office. Power saving. High efficiency and low energy and whisper quiet consumption compressor makes this chest fridge can cool quickly without much noise. Lower energy consumption design with our 600A high efficiency compressor. Super quiet. This small chest freezer compressor runs very quietly when it is working. We specially deal with its noise so that the noise will not be louder than 40 dB. Say goodbye to too much noise and heat to disturb your rest and work. Movable wheels. No need for 2 people to move. This freezer chest is equipped with sturdy wheels, and you can move it to the place you want it to be placed by yourself.